What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of True Sportsman TV. Today we're going to be working on this three-wheeler again, another three-wheeler build series. The reason I'm doing so many build series is because the ice fishing sucks right now, A. B, I don't know how safe the ice even is. I haven't been out there lately, and it's getting awfully warm here. I think tomorrow it's supposed to be like mid-40s. So I don't know how good the ice is. I'm sure it's fine, but the fishing sucks anyway, so I don't really care. And there's no hunting seasons, so you guys are just going to have to bear with me for a while. I'm going to be doing build series and riding videos, and we will get fishing and hunting videos out to you guys soon. So bear with me. This is going to be what the channel is for a little while, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. So today we are going to be installing the pipe. I don't know if you guys saw the last build series, but this custom pipe that I built, the nut right here fell off. So I re-welded that, good to go. So now we're going to install that, and then we're also going to put a Pro Taper bar pad on it, just because I had it laying around, and this up here I don't really like, so I'm just going to switch it out and make it a little bit different. So then the next episode, I believe we're going to be putting a light bar on here. This light does not work, A, and B, this red headlight is not the stock headlight for this three-wheeler. So comment below if you guys think I should put a little light bar up here, or if I should keep the red headlight and get that working. I'm leaning towards the light bar, but let me know what you guys think, and maybe you guys can justify me getting a light bar or not. So that's probably going to be next episode, and then we're also going to paint the rims. I want to paint them like black or something, make them look a little nicer. Probably repaint the tank, get new graphics, repaint these forks here, and just make it look nice. So that's what we're going to be doing just for the future episodes. But today we're going to get to this pipe. So all you gotta really do is put these nuts on, and the pipe is installed. This is not stock right here. The stock pipe was dumb, and my dad was riding it around and he snapped it off just because it was hanging down, like down here by the brakes. So that got snapped off. That's why that's not on here. It was quiet, but around here we like it, what the hell? We like it loud, so I don't know, you guys heard my blaster probably, that thing's loud. The snowmobiles are pretty loud. My dirt bike is loud, so straight pipe, that's the way we do it. Enough. There we go, pipe is installed. There we go, rock solid. Using a rep, but it's good enough. So now we're going to move up here, switch this out for the bar pad, like that, and then we'll take her out for a rep. So I'm going to change the angle here, and then we'll continue. Okay, so I got you guys up on the table now, so this is a little bit sketchy, but hopefully my camera doesn't fall. If it does, I'm screwed. But so what you're gonna want to do, what we're gonna do first here is pop this middle piece out that's holding the bolts in. If I can figure out how this pops out. I think the screwdriver is too big, so we're going to try this. Try a little knife. Oh yeah, that worked better. Nuts. Try to get up in the middle here. This is very dangerous. Don't try this at home. Right here. Okay. So that's off. Now we just take these two bolts out right here. And this should pop off, letting us put the bar riser on, or the bar pad on. That's another thing we should do. Should we get a bar riser? Get the bars up a little more? That'd be pretty sweet. Comment below if you guys think I should get a bar riser for this thing. I don't know, it might be stupid, it might be a good idea. And bam. Now the bar riser, or the bar pad, should go on very easy now. Okay. That part fits good. Actually, we're going to flip this around here. And we're actually going to move this piece right here. We're going to move this up more so that I can get to moving that. There. That's moved up. Now we just tighten that back down. Beautiful. Slap that on. There we go. Slide that under. And feed her through. Last one. Fish it through. And boom. There is Pro Taper bar pad for the little three-wheeler. I'm going to turn this a little bit. If possible. No. Okay, there she be. Got a Pro Taper bar pad for the old three-wheeler. There she be. Got to put that back piece on yet. So we're going to do that right now, actually. There she is. Now I'm going to see if I can get it out of the disaster of a shop. See? We got two snowmobiles right there and there. There's a tractor right over there. Four-wheeler over there. Another snowmobile over here. Moped right over there behind the three-wheeler. So I'm going to see if I can get her out. And if so, we'll take her for a ride. Alright, I successfully got her out. Now we'll see if she's going to start for us. Choke is on. She's cold, but she's running. She's a runner. So I'm gonna go and get my GoPro and I'll catch you guys when I'm riding. So it's pretty freaking cold out, so I'm not gonna ride it tonight. I rode it around the yard once and my hands are frozen. It's like 12 degrees out and I'm out here in a sweatshirt, no gloves, and jeans. It's freaking cold out. So I'm not gonna ride it tonight, but I will ride it this weekend when it's warm, and I'll post a video next week on it. So yeah, I'll post a riding video of me riding the three-wheeler on Monday or Tuesday. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Snapchat and website are in the description. Catch you guys later.